Carved into the flat landscape bordering the Balmoral escarpment lies a new home, seamlessly integrated with a cherished garden. Designed to preserve and enhance the existing greenery, this dwelling embodies the client's vision for a holistic property. The heart of the house is a central walkway, punctuated at opposite ends by a majestic frangipani tree in a striking Australian sculpture. Each room extends outwards, embracing the surrounding environment. Yet, the purity of the building's form is subtly fractured by a series of courtyards. These sun-soaked havens not only fragment the structure but also bathe the interior in natural light, a crucial element for the client residing amidst 9 neighboring houses. A haven for art enthusiasts, the house prioritizes aesthetics while providing a functional space for the client's treasured collection, accumulated over 3 decades. Sustainability was paramount. Material selection favored longevity, with the lowest energy-consuming building systems chosen to ensure a lasting, eco-friendly footprint. Embracing permanence, the dwelling utilizes generous slabs and curves of in-situ concrete, complemented by timber and glass accents. A captivating concrete ceiling hovers above the interconnected spaces, its undulating form mirroring the rhythm of the rooms below. This fluidity extends to the sculptural roof, its concrete mass seemingly draped over the house. The ceiling showcases the versatility of concrete, while slatted timber formwork adds a touch of texture and detail. Despite its monolithic presence, the concrete dissolves in select areas, ushering in natural light and creating captivating vistas. Timber elements nestled within the concrete shell cater to functional needs while offering a more intimate, domestic scale. Transitioning seamlessly to the entrance screen, the timber structure transforms, adopting a livelier expression that playfully contrasts the serene concrete ceiling visible from the street. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.